Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Toyota RAV4 2005 and a 54, 2 owners from new, 38,000 miles. First registered the 19th of the 1st 2005. It's an XT4. So it's got the full leather, and it's got all the toys on it, sunroof, electric windows, electric door mirrors, absolutely full spec. We'll do first take you around the outside of the car, then I'm going to take you around the inside. So it has the fog lights, as you can see. It's in this absolute super colour, this green, absolutely brilliant colour. No trolley supermarket dents. It's a category N. It's had this rear door replaced. And that's why we haven't got the cover yet, but we're getting the cover. And that's all it was. Just literally bolt on and bolt off. All the alloys are super. So what I'll do now is I'll take you around the inside of the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. It's got full service history, as I've said, 2 owners from new, 38,000 miles, automatic, XT4. Oh my God, where do you find these cars with this miles? It's absolutely super. I'll take you to the driver's side door card. As you can see, it's got electric windows, electric door mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, stereo, automatic. There's all the paperwork, which I'll show in a minute. 38,000. Look at the seat, look at the footwell, all the headlining is in absolute super condition, as it should be for the miles. So it's got full leather, as you can see. Looks like nobody's been in the back. It's actually a collector's car, it really is. With this type of miles on it, again, you just see by the rubbers, the rear door card, no scratches. You've still got the parcel shelf. Don't forget these seats fold forwards, and they can actually be taken out too. Passenger side rear door card. Just look at the seats, they've just not been, just absolutely super. Passenger side front door card. Here's a lot of the paperwork, service books. Been serviced 8 times. There's all the mileage and so on. Taking in the dashboard. Again, the seats. Headrests. So there you have it. Toyota RAV4 2-litre automatic. 2 owners from new. Category N, as I've said. Had the rear door replaced. 38,000 miles. Full service history with bills. It's just a extremely rare car. If you need any further information on the car, please do not hesitate to give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.